My name is David Steven, and I'm the Validation Center Manager at the Research and Development located in Magog, Quebec. My role is to maximize the efficiency of the Validation Center and give quality results while controlling the cost.
My role at Camso is a lead test, engineering and electrical. So my role in the validation center in Magog is to overlook the technical team for the standard tests. With an electrical engineering background, I also oversee all the electric and sensors and programming done with our simulators.
I'm a senior test engineer for Camso for the product validation department. So my expertise and my role is to develop new tests for the validation center based in Canada.
We then give the test result to the product expert and they use them to improve the track or the track system, whether on quality, performance, or durability. In my team, we have 2 test engineers who are there to supervise all the technical side of the validation center. The purpose of this test is really to demonstrate to the customer the performance of our tracks, and they can adapt to every situation that they may encounter in the field.
So depending on the question our design team are asking themselves, we'll recommend different test paths. All our tests are revised by test engineers so that we're assured that the test protocols are followed closely.
So basically we work with the product engineer. They make the link with the external customers, and we make sure that the test meets the design requirements, the costs, the effectiveness, the repeatability, and the precision they need to meet those test requirements. So when we enter a design phase for a new test bench, we focus on quality rather than quantity. So we study the test and all its variables to understand what makes it varies over time and from test to test. Standardization speeds testing up, make it more efficient and more reliable and more cost effective. So it allows our customer to test without reference part and to be able to correlate a new test with tests done in the past and to make sure that these data are reliable and comparable.
We are supporting all the Camso sites around the world. It can be Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Belgium, or USA. We are supporting all teams from all business units. It can be agriculture, powersports, and construction team. We aim nothing less than to be the best product available in the market.